Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create a whiteboard animation in Canva. Let's get started. First, head over to Canva and log into your account. Next, choose the format you prefer. I usually opt for the thumbnail format, but feel free to select any format that suits your needs. Next, let's add some elements like characters and icons. Go to the Elements section, where you'll find thousands of options. To create a whiteboard animation, search for Sketch. You'll see a variety of sketch elements, including both free and paid options. You can add sketched elements in black and white or colored ones as well. Now, let's add some text. I'll change the font style and color to match the theme. You can also add shadows or effects if you like. Okay, this one looks great. One thing to note is that you cannot add animations to these elements. Currently, whiteboard animation can only be done with images, so avoid adding animations. Once you're satisfied with your design, you can download it from here. Remember to export it in PNG format only. Okay, I have successfully downloaded the PNG file. Now you can either add a new page here or create a new design if you prefer. For this video, I'll be adding a new page here. Now, go to Apps and search for Speed Paint. Open this app and upload the image that you want to turn into a whiteboard animation. I'll upload the PNG file that I just created. After that, adjust the duration for the sketch. I recommend setting it to 5 seconds. Next, set the color fill duration if your image is colorful. 3 seconds should be sufficient. In this step, ensure you tick the Add Sketching Hand Effect option. If you leave it unticked, the hand animation won't appear. Finally, click on Animate Image. This process will take at least 1 minute. Once it's done, your sketch animation video will be ready. Fit it properly on the frame, and then you can play it to see the final result. You can see how realistic the animation looks. If needed, you can cut the video from the timeline to adjust its length. To create more whiteboard animation videos, simply add a new page, upload your images, and animate them following the same steps. Once the video is ready, go to Share, then Download, and select MP4 format to download your video. That's how you can create a whiteboard animation in Canva for free. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching.